Do you need a General Electric appliance repaired and live in Rye? Congratulations, you come to the right place. With so many appliance repair shops to choose from, why consider the Appliance Doctors? Because we do more for our customers. Hi, my name is Anthony Attanasio, and I am the Chief of Staff at the Appliance Doctors. So what does it mean that we do more for our customers? It means all employees are background checked and drug tested to protect your family. It means we are a family-owned and operated business service residential appliance needs since 1980. That's over 35 years. It means we have trucks in your neighborhood, Manhattan, Bronx, Westchester County, from Yonkers to Peekskill and east to Greenwich, Connecticut. It means the Appliance Doctor repairs most appliances, including refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers, stoves, wall ovens, and microwaves. While we specialize in high-end brands, we repair all brands, including Bosch, Miele, GE, Maytag, Sub-Zero, Sears, Fisher-Paykel, Dacor, DCS, Thermador, and Maytag, just to name a few. It means all of our technicians are experienced and receive regular training quarterly to stay up to date with the latest changes in the industry. Technicians also carry a computer to speed up the part order process and in turn give better service to our customers. It means our trucks are stocked with the most common parts and carry the latest technologies such as GPS tracking to quickly dispatch the nearest technician to your home. About 70% of the repairs are finished on the first trip. If the parts aren't on a truck, we most likely have them at our warehouse or can get them within 24 to 48 hours. It means we offer flat rate pricing. We will dispatch a technician that will troubleshoot the problem and provide you with a quote before any repairs are done. That means we will repair the problem, including the parts and labor, no matter how many times he has to come back. That way we all know it will be done as quickly as possible. It means that because we have the expertise and experience, we repair them right the first time and stand behind them all so all repairs are guaranteed. It means we take all major credit cards. It means same-day service is available. It means while we provide service to over 450 high-rise buildings for 45 different management firms, we can quickly provide certificates of insurance, usually within 24 hours. At the Appliance Doctors, we do more for our customers. So give us a call at the number below or visit us on our website, ApplianceDoctorX.com. We look forward to having you as part of our family, and please refer us to your friends. Thank you for taking your time, and we look forward to serving you soon. Thank you.